Growing up, I've always wanted to be a chef. I've always loved cooking for my siblings. I'll play this thing growing up called, we'll call it, let's play chef, where I'll just go around and pretend I was a server, and I'll get all their order down and everything, and I'll go in the kitchen, I'll cook it for them, go serve it to them. Eventually, I started cooking in restaurants. Been cooking for like 9 years. I just wanted to take that skill and bring it out here in nature. I love hiking. I love being outdoors. People started hitting me up saying, like, because they see me online posting for my friends, cooking for me. They're like, hey, do you charge? Like, how much does it cost to like take me and my friends out? And I'm like, all right, cool, yeah. I'm taking my little portable stove, my other little portable stove, taking my beer, cutting board, some towels, some foil, my veggies. Here's my cast iron pan I'm taking, paper towels, oil, my gloves. It's all gonna fit in my backpack right there. We're gonna take it up to the spot. I'll say it's gonna be like 30 pounds, 35 pounds-ish. So I'm doing a pinwheel filet mignon with veggies. The filet is going to be stuffed with kale and portobello mushrooms. Mushrooms, they have a really high tolerance, so you can like cook these things forever and they'll still hold their core.
What do you think the hardest part about all the food?
Carrying everything, the physical aspect of it, and like just managing, like right now, like we're on unstable terrain, so like I gotta like put rocks together to make this stable. I gotta kind of figure out how to like make this stable, like, and then like look how I'm standing, like just it's like uncomfortable positions, but I'm all right with it. I'm okay with it because the view is beautiful. I just feel like those moments right there are the peak of joyfulness in life, because you're eating with your friends, you're eating with people you love. That alone is magical. Add that to somewhere like Yosemite, where it's sacred land, beautiful land. It just elevates the experience. Coming out here, enjoying Mother Nature, it'll be a nice little cleanse for themselves, you know? It'll be a cleanse for anyone. Something like that. I'm glad we could do this type of stuff.
And
Very good. If I would never get paid for this, I would definitely still do this. It's just something I'm very passionate about, something that brings joy to me. It brings a spark for me to do something creative and do something different than anyone else.